Díoghaibh, is Mrs. Cupán. Hi, I'm Cupán from Bite Size Irish. And today, let's learn how to say a cup of tea. A cup of tea is kup-awn tea. Kup-awn tea. Kup-awn is a cup. Tea is tea. Repeat after me. Kup-awn tea. Now let's use that in a sentence. I would love a cup of tea. Bhreá kup-awn tea. Now let's take that slowly. Vraw, lyum, kup-awn tea. Bhreá kup-awn tea. I would love a cup of tea. Bhreá is I would love something. Now you know another handy little phrase in Irish.
You can learn more Irish by taking the Bite Size Irish free trial at www.bitesize.irish. Slán go bhfuilín.